Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best home essentials to make your life easier. Today, we're talking about the Spectrum Disinfecting Wipes Container, the best disinfectant wipes canister holder that's perfect for your bathroom, kitchen, classroom, and more. If you're tired of those basic wipe containers and want something that's functional, stylish, and reliable, keep watching as we explore everything this wipes dispenser has to offer. The Spectrum Disinfecting Wipes Container isn't just any wipes holder. It's designed with convenience in mind, featuring a push-button lid that allows for one-handed access. No more fumbling around trying to get a wipe. Just press the button and you're ready to go. Whether you're cleaning up after a messy meal, wiping down your countertop, or keeping your home germ-free, this dispenser ensures you have wipes within reach at all times. What makes this canister holder stand out is its versatility. It's designed to hold both 35-count and 75 to 80-count retail disinfecting wipe containers, making it ideal for various wipes brands. All you have to do is remove the original lid, slide the wipe canister into the dispenser, feed the wipes through, and screw the airtight lid back on. This airtight seal helps to keep your wipes moist and fresh, so you don't have to worry about them drying out after a few uses. The stainless steel design adds a modern, sleek touch to any room. It's rust-resistant, so you won't have to deal with unsightly corrosion over time. To clean it, just wipe it down with a damp cloth, and it's as good as new. The dispenser's non-slip ring at the base ensures it stays in place, whether you're using it on your bathroom counter, kitchen sink, or any other surface. For over 30 years, Spectrum has been creating innovative home products that combine style with functionality, and this disinfecting wipes holder is no exception. It's durable, easy to use, and designed to last, offering a solution to keep your wipes neatly stored and easily accessible. So, if you're looking for a wipes canister holder that's stylish, durable, and efficient, the Spectrum Disinfecting Wipes Container is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching this review from Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product insights and reviews.